outnumbered. You can't fight your way through all that Red Cell security alone. But if you take out their base commander, Red Cell will be like a chicken without its head. Find and eliminate the Da Nang Bay commander. Identify and eliminate the base commander.
Move it, cover me! Finding new cover.
Nice!
Changing position.
You got get to cover and start firing.
Position secure.
Enemy snipers onto you.
Taking position. Moving cover.
That's how we do it.